Hello and welcome. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unwell? Are you ready to take control of your health and feel your best? Look no further than the powerful and transformative benefits of coriander oil. This oil is not just your average natural remedy, it's a game changer that can revolutionize the way you feel and look. Hi, my name is Emily, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about coriander oil. Please, disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about coriander oil is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because it has been the subject of some fakes. I left all the details in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles and sources on which the production of coriander oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, coriander oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is coriander oil? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes. Extracted from the seeds of the Coriandrum sativum plant, coriander oil is packed with a wide range of benefits for both your body and mind. Here are just a few reasons why you should make coriander oil a staple in your daily routine. Promotes healthy digestion. Coriander oil is a natural digestive aid that can soothe discomfort, reduce bloating, and promote regularity. Add a few drops to your tea or water to experience relief from digestive issues. Relieves muscle pain. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, coriander oil can help alleviate muscle aches and pains. Apply it topically to the affected area for fast and effective relief. Boosts immunity. Coriander oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help strengthen your immune system and fight off infections. Incorporate it into your wellness routine to keep your body healthy and strong. Supports healthy skin. Coriander oil is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help soothe irritation and inflammation, leaving you with clear, healthy-looking skin. Reduces anxiety. The calming scent of coriander oil has been shown to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Diffuse it in your home or office to create a peaceful environment and ease stress. So, briefly, with coriander oil you will get the following benefits. Excellent for a healthy digestive system. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Supports the body's natural detoxification. Boosts cellular function and DNA repair. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, coriander oil has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as borneol, citronellol, linalool, camphene, magnesium, cineol, and many others, natural elements rich in great properties, 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Also, for coriander oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with coriander oil, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test coriander oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the activation platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy coriander oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that coriander oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of coriander oil for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.